Ever wonder what makes your computer tick? Join us for a beginner's guide to understanding the essential parts inside. Today we're taking a look under the hood to explore the main components that bring your computer to life. Your computer is more than just a screen. It's a complex machine with many vital parts working in harmony. We'll cover the CPU, RAM, storage, and the motherboard, understanding their roles and how they interact. First up, the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, often called the brain of your computer. The CPU is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations, essentially doing all the thinking for your computer. Think of the CPU like your own brain, processing every command and thought to make things happen. Next, let's look at RAM, or Random Access Memory, your computer's short-term memory. RAM temporarily stores data that your computer is actively using, allowing for quick access and multitasking. Imagine RAM as a workbench, where all your active projects and files are laid out for immediate use. Now, onto storage, your computer's long-term memory. Storage, like hard drives or SSDs, permanently saves all your files, programs, and operating system, even when the computer is off. Think of storage as a vast filing cabinet or a personal library, holding everything you need for later. Finally, the motherboard, the nervous system of your computer. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the other components, allowing them to communicate with each other. It's like the human nervous system, or the foundation of an office building, linking everything together. These components don't work in isolation, they form a cohesive system. The CPU processes instructions, RAM holds data for immediate use, and storage keeps everything permanently, all connected by the motherboard. It's the synergy of these parts that gives your computer its power and functionality. Now you have a basic understanding of what's inside your computer. Knowing these core components helps you better understand how your computer operates and what each part contributes. Feel free to explore each component in more detail, or even consider building your own PC to see it all in action.